Hi guys, just wanted to show something in here which is quick fix. My vent motor was blocked because the water heater was stopped working. It's not ignite the lighters, so we have a Honeywell thermostat, which is, I read the code here. So if you are looking at here, the blinking light will indicate you that how you fix, what is the error code, like how you can diagnose it, what code are on the blinking light. Like mine was blinking 3 time at after like 20 second, or like after one, like after, you can say that, like it's blinking 3 time, and it's blink 3 time, pause, blink, and pause. When I looking at here, it says here number 3, which is, it's a TCO, pressure switch failed to open. So the pressure switch is located right in here underneath your vent motor. So I opened already here. So the problem is here, this pressure switch, it's called adjustable pressure switch. I can put it here. I think I was studying on it, I was like looking at it, some kind of content where I can fix this one, but unfortunately there's not much on the site. And this is old kind of switch, they're not making anymore. It's called adjustable pressure switch. It's here, it's called Ns2-1306. You can find on the eBay, but it's not, they're not manufacturing anymore this adjustable switch. So the problem was here, the switch was not opening it, like it was not contacting these two contactors. So I was looking at the internet, today is the weekend, and then there is long weekend here, so the parts can be available very first on, like maybe in Tuesday, like we have like 4 days out of water. So in first hack, what I did is for the temporarily base, like it was not be a permanent base. So what I did, I take out that 2 wires and make the jumpers here, to at least the water heater can get start, like the light will be on and that water heater be get started. So this is just my temporary hack, like which is fixed. And then I was looking for to buy a parts, but unfortunately, since like this part is not available in the market, and then it's costing, if I looking at the other like sites, it's costing me 200, and plus like shipping charges is costing me around 250 and close to $300 small this pressure switch. So I was like thinking that how we can fix this one. So I said like I'll try to fix this one. So this switch, I'll show you how you can check with the multimeter. So I set it up here. This multimeter to put it in continuity mode, which is like a low resistance, and you can see here my screen, it says 0, like no continuity. So because it's open right now, so like it's supposed to be like this. See that noise, and that screen shows the resistance, like if I take out, so it's 0, it's supposed to be like this. So the switch has to be off at this time. So we have to be adjust this. So I don't have it's called DCTM meter, I don't have that meter. So what I did, I have a pressure which is right on the motor. So we're gonna put this pressure on to here and the continuity to this mirror. So we're gonna put that on, and then it's gonna shows here to you. And now let me come over this connector on here. take that Allen key and adjust it. So I put this low motor here, I put it up, so switch get off. If I put it back here, the switch can get turn it on. So it was the quick fix problem. So I just take that Allen key and adjust from here. So not too low and not too high, because I don't have a DCMT 1 meter. So I use this pressure to activate the switch. So I'm just gonna show here. It's just like, see, the pressure switch is here, and this turn it off, and then I put it back here, and this will be had a continuity. So this is the fixed problem, and let me put back everything together and I'll show you how it's work. So now I'm going to put it back. This one, the pressure switch is kind of right here. If I can bring my camera close to you where it goes, so it's gonna be fit here like this. And you need a Phillips screwdriver. Some have the Phillips, some have a different, so I need the Phillips screwdriver. So let me put back in here. So these two connectors, one goes in here and the yellows goes at the bottom. That's quick fix. So before I put that cover on, so I'll plug it in and make sure, and I'm gonna show you the where that thing goes here. So see that white, I'm gonna plug that to right in here, if I can see there. Yeah, so this is goes up to here and all the way to in here. So let me just put back to the plug in there, and I'll see if that heater get turned it on. It's plugged in. My thermostat is flashing. The motor is get on, and the light is here, and yay, it's worked. It's got ignition, the fire's on, and then it start. Yeah, it's on. Set up the low cost, so right here, just to be not too warmed, just set it up my thermostat right here. You can see it. Alright, so if you have any questions, just put it in comments, so I'll try to answer your questions. It's got off because that the thermostat I was set it up very low, so temperature is got up, like so. Now is my hot water tanker is like be off. There you go. Thank you. Fix. And now I'm gonna put back to that cover. So the cover is goes here, right here, and I'm gonna screw it up. Here you go.